Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a contact form in WordPress in 2025. For that, first of all, you need to log into your WP admin dashboard just like so, and then hover over to the left hand section and go to plugins. Click on the install plugin option. Over here, select the option of add a new plugin, and here in the search bar, you need to just search for WP Forms. So once you search for it, you will find this plugin that has this bear here. So you need to click on the install button and activate it. Once it is activated successfully, you will see it in the left hand section now with the name of WP Forms. So you need to hover over here and click on the all forms option. Now once you are on this page, you will see your simple contact form that I have created previously. But if you want to search for any form, you can do so by clicking on the search form option. Or if you want to make changes into any of your contact forms, you can click on the edit button, and from here you can provide the sections. In the left hand section, you will see a bunch of different fields that you can add in this layout. Let's say I want to add a captcha code, so you need to simply drag it from here and drop it here, and this way you will be able to add it in your form. Once you are done doing it, you need to click on the save option in the top right hand corner of the screen, and then go to your pages and add it or embed it with the help of this code as well. So if this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials. Drop a comment if you want help with any other WordPress things. Thanks for watching.